Just got Chromecast. Going to walk through the setup and demo. Chromecast is Google's media streamer. Right now, it only works really with Netflix and YouTube and then the Chrome browser. So it's a simple device. You plug it into your TV. There's a small setup, and then you use your tablet or your phone or your laptop or your Chrome browser to stream content to your television. So you can see this is the hardware, the device itself. It's like a gigantic oversized USB drive, but it has a HDMI. That's actually connects to your HDMI port in your television. And then you really, the only thing you have here is a power cable. So one end goes to the device, and the other end is a USB, which you can actually plug into your USB. If you have your TV has a USB port, you can plug and get power that way. The television I'm using in this demo does not, so I plug the other end into the power adapter that it comes with. Now the setup, basically for this setup, you just have to follow the instructions. You plug in the hardware, and then you just follow online and you use your tablet. And it's the whole thing here is you're going to get this, you're going to plug it in, and you're going to get this little device on your network and connected. So they're plugging in the HDMI port on my television, plug in the power strip, and then I'll go to my HDMI input on my television, and this is what I see. It says set me up. It says go to Chromecast setup, google.com. So I go there, and you just have to follow these instructions, and it basically walks you through the setup. It's very simple. And it looks like I got a text from Alberto. Awesome. Okay. So anyways, I go to the setup, and this is on my iPad, and in this case, it takes me to the App Store. So I got to go to the App Store and download the Chromecast app. So I do that. Takes a little while. Open it up and just start marching through the setup. So I accept, and it's going to scan. It found my Chromecast device that has to be logged in, and now it tells me to go to my Wi-Fi settings on my iPad. And basically, in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically connect my iPad to that device to do the setup. So I go to my settings on my iPad, Wi-Fi, get off my Wi-Fi network, and I connect directly to the Chromecast device that is plugged into my TV. Okay. Now when that gets done, I actually go to the app. I open it up, and it says, hey, I found the Chromecast. Okay. And I just got to keep on following these instructions. Now on my television, that's what I still see. It's got the setup, and it has this, it gives me this big number here. You see, I go back to my app. That number is displayed. I can give my Chromecast a new name. Instead of Chromecast 8520 or whatever, I call it Chromecastinator, just something stupid like that. And now I have to select a network that it's going to be on. So right now I'm connected directly to the Chromecast, and now I'm going to select my Wi-Fi and say this is the network that the Chromecast device needs to be set up on. So I set it on to my Wi-Fi. So that is a requirement. You need Wi-Fi for this device for sure. When it's all said and done, it says, hey, successful, ready to cast. So anytime I go to that input, it powers up, it'll say ready to cast. Now for this demo here, it's going to be real quick, but basically I'm going to take my iPad, and since it'll show now in Netflix, it has that little Chromecast. I select that, and then I have a choice. Am I going to watch Netflix on my iPad or on the Chromecast? I select Chromecast, and now it starts streaming Netflix to my television. And basically, my television is going to show Netflix, and my iPad is like a giant remote. And you can see I put up Parks and Rec. It comes over. It actually was really clear. The audio, everything came up real good. You can see I can pause from my iPad and play. And it really works slick. I like the device. It's easy to move around. And you can see here, if I go to back to the app, it just shows me right now all it supports is YouTube and Netflix. But there's a whole list of apps that are going to be supporting it soon, and you can always use the Chrome browser on your PC to stream anything that you can view in your browser.